What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here, and in today's video I'm going to talk about how Remark is changing NFTs forever. Is 1K Remark token incoming? Let's get into it. But before I jump into the content, I just completely revamped my website, bitcoinlockup.com, as you can see on the screen here. There's some very exciting stuff coming before the end of the year, and you can always preview my newest videos there before they hit YouTube or any other platform. There's also going to be some bonus exclusive content coming that's only going to be on my website, not anywhere else. Let's dive in. Welcome back. So in some of our last videos, I talked about Remark specifically and how it's changing how NFTs are constructed. At the time of publishing that video, the price of Remark was roughly $9. Today, I wanted to touch on RMRK, or Remark as it's referred to as the new NFT art Legos, which are programmable NFTs on the Kusama network. Is $1,000 Remark possible?
And here we go.
Now, in case you didn't see my last video on Remark, here are some of the basics. The Kusama Relay Chain Network has introduced complexity into NFTs by introducing what it calls art Legos on its Remark or RMRK NFT system. The data relay on the chain is simple in its structure, so RMRK network does not use complex smart contracts. Instead, it writes notes representing each NFT onto the blocks on the chain using this concept called art Legos. Similar to the colored bricks, these art Legos act as building blocks for NFTs to connect to each other, nest, and then add complexity of the initial primitive NFT. Now, these new art Legos are programmable and again, potentially more valuable to the owner. Let's give a recap of how this project has progressed recently. The Remark standard on Kusama, what many on Ethereum are still trying to accomplish. In fact, in March 2021, Remark launched a gamified initial collectible offering called Canaria, which is pioneering an NFT crowdfunding approach that netted them a total of $6 million in limited edition egg NFT sales. Over 8,500 out of a total 10,000 eggs were claimed by participants. With an innovative feature of on-chain emotes, owners and observers could drop reactions on these NFTs, influencing the look, feel, functionality, and inventory of birds that would hatch from these so-called eggs. Now, starting in September 2021, the eggs have hatched into advanced NFTs on the Kusama blockchain, again, which is Polkadot's value-bearing Canary network. Remark NFTs are natively connected to every chain that it connects to the Kusama relay chain. They are multi-chain by default. Now, Remark will also have a smart contract only version of its deployment, which will be suitable for non-modifiable blockchains like EVM, which is Ethereum Virtual Machine based chains that can only work using smart contracts and not complexities such as runtime upgrades. Now, the Remark team is looking to build on its success with Kanaria and make the full Remark 2.0 standards available for adoption across all substrate-based ecosystems, and then eventually later into EVM chains like Polygon and Moonriver. With powerful partnerships with some of the biggest parachains and candidates in the Polkadot and Kusama ecosystem have already been sealed, the Remark standards for NFTs 2.0 are poised to become the first unofficial shared runtime environment in the Polkadot ecosystem, allowing for seamless teleportation of non-fungible assets to and from any supported chain natively and at almost zero cost. While the multi-chain evolvable nature of these NFTs opens new and unprecedented doors, their avatar can also carry equipment, which would be another NFT. So the NFT avatar itself can own its own NFTs, essentially nesting parent-child NFTs and making these more complex with rendering or having the ability to perform actions. Games such as Canaria recently launched as an initial collectible offering, ICO, on the Kusama network, and it shows how nested NFTs work. The Canaria offering is a set of limited edition NFTs that aims to fund the RMRK team and their new projects. NFTs can own other NFTs. An in-game character itself an NFT can own a backpack, which is an NFT, and items within that backpack as their own NFTs that link ownership together. They can have conditional rendering dependent on platform hosted or the value of an NFT, and they can be emoted on-chain. Now that I've recapped the concept of this next generation of NFTs that can be added on to new NFTs and reconstructed and deconstructed on demand, let's get to the latest developments now. RMRK launches unique NFT project Dyno by Dyno, or Dyno x Dyno, on Kusama-based platform Singular. So like RMRK's initial fundraise, Canaria Dyno by Dyno is a project selling 4 tiers of NFT eggs that will hatch into fully customizable, composable dinosaurs intended for use in games and their corresponding metaverse. As a side note, this is very similar to Axes or Pokemon. The Dyno x Dyno project was developed in collaboration with RMRK's development team and is the first such project on their increasingly popular NFT marketplace known as Singular. Canaria are multi-resource NFTs with different user-selectable outputs that can own, trade, and equip other compatible NFTs to alter their appearance or their functionality. These same functions will be available to dinos hatching from the Dyno x Dyno eggs. Even going as far as bridging NFTs from one project's universe with the other, merging 2 incoming metaverses. During the fundraising phase, the RMRK team secured buy-in from all of the Kusama parachain candidates for the eventual integration of RMRK's palettes into respective chains' runtime logic. This means that 2022 will see a brand new multi-chain standard emerge built around cheap, seamless, and effective cross-chain teleportation of non-fungibles in the Polkadot ecosystem, and with RMRK's recent forays into Solidity outside of it as well. This potential of a multi-chain future from day one makes launching on RMRK very appealing to projects like Dyno by Dyno and other upcoming launches. This seems like a lot of progress and momentum in a very short amount of time, but is that all? No. Now, lastly, we all know that NFTs have been dominating the crypto sphere as of the flavor of crypto 2021. RMRK is the very first state-mined fungible token to be available for trading globally. State-mine is a public good parachain on the Kusama network. I'll link a video I did on that above. Polkadot's Canary network is designed to be a canonical balance keeper of thousands of different fungible and non-fungible tokens. RMRK is the first such token to become globally traded through CEXs, which, if you are uninitiated, CEX stands for Centralized Exchanges. Now, some of RMRK's many utilities include a metaverse currency, 2, staking to mine resources in a play-to-earn metaverse, 3, sponsorship to go carbon negative during the minting of NFTs, 4, the governance platform parameters like fees, commissions, stake locks, and much more. 5, a curation and verification of fellow artists on the flagship marketplace, Singular. And then 6, collateral in DeFi, and so on and so forth, more that I can name. Now, the token was given away in a fair drop to the buyers of NFTs during April's and May's NFT sale and is 89% in the hands of the community, with the team only keeping 5% for 2 years and all other holders being unlocked on day 1. RMRK is one of the most egalitarian token distributions ever done. Now, if you want to get off the bench and into the game, you can also check out Singular and all parts of RMRK's platform at the rmrk.app website. As of shooting this video, RMRK is currently just shy of $40 a coin.
Watch, it will pay. I may have been early, but I'm not wrong.
So why would this coin go at least 21x from here? In short, low supply, high utility, and a burning mechanism to ensure that this coin will become provably scarcer over time. Sounds something like you've heard of before? And then go ahead and click right here to watch my video on my deep dive into Remark or RMRK in the top right corner. I will see you guys in that video right now. Crypto Renegade out.